Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carl. Thank you for being here. I'm happy that you're here. Man, the feedback on the channel has been amazing. I've had a lot of people message me personally and on the channel. It's just very motivating and I appreciate it very much if you continue to do that. Today's video is a quick video. It's different from all the other previous videos that I've done before because I thought it would be good to just give you guys a quick walkthrough of what it looked like the day I received the property, some of the pictures and the videos of me walking through the property on day one. There's some of the things that you'll see that I've mentioned in previous videos about having laminate flooring on top of carpet, how we found laminate flooring on top of newspaper, and how we've seen vinyl flooring on top of vinyl flooring. Before we go anywhere, please stop, like, and subscribe to this channel, please. Thank you very much. Hey guys, I was serious. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Hey guys, if you've made it this far, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. We have done a lot of work in week one and we just continue to press forward. Stay tuned for further videos.